Guys, today we're gonna be reacting to funny videos, but we're gonna be reacting to funny cats instead of funny people. Oh, I bet that's painful. Wait, what's he trying to? What's he trying to? He just. Why'd he jump? Oh my! They're stealing each other's food. Wait, what's happening? What is happening? Aww, he's a little lobster. Oh, he just is. What's he playing? No, he's not playing anything. I think he's watching Jeopardy. I think. Wait, I thought someone was there, but no one's there. Wait. Hello. That. What? There's nothing. I think there's nothing there. Jump. Oh, I bet that's painful. Oh. Lol. A mouse. What? I thought cats eat mouse. Wait, oh, that's a dog. Not a cat. Wait.
He let it on his feet.
You can't get that off. It's gonna fall. I knew it. Cats are dumb. Not very dumb. These are just silly cats. These cats do dumb things. Like this one, trying to jump over a fence, except that happens. He just bumped his head into that thing. Wait. Oh! Lol. She survived. Wait. How did... That was easy to take off. Oh, he has a dead serious face. Wait. This is slow motion. Oh. Lol. Laugh out loud. He just fell on his face.
Get down for you fall in there.
Ah. Jump. Oh. I bet that hurt. That seems like a tiger. Oh, whoa. Okay, we're gonna have to stop right here because this is taking forever. So, bye guys.